What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to Stacy and the D's channel. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Yes, guys, if you're new here, I want to say a warm welcome to you. I want to welcome back my old subscribers and to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the channel. Yes, guys, in this video, guys, I made a bun. Yeah, and these are my ingredients. As you can see, guys, I have vanilla, deer, almond, baking powder, eggs, I have salt, I have butter, I have coconut milk powder, I have some Lasco as well, I have honey, and I have a Malta. Yeah, and what about let me see what I have again. Oh yeah, so yes, guys, so a bun is simple and easy to make, guys. So this is the sauce, so all the wet ingredients, guys, the Malta, the butter, all the wet ingredients is in this right here, the egg. Yeah, so you put it on the stove on a low heat, not very high, just a low heat, and you keep on stir until all the butter is dissolved, and you let it sit for a little bit. Then you turn off your stove and you wait for that mixture to be cool. It must cool down properly, because when you're gonna put it in the flour, it will cake up, so you have to leave it there on the stove for it to cool out properly. Right, so after that, then guys, I add a little cooking oil in it as well too. So after that, you're gonna use your dry ingredients now, which is your flour, your baking powder, your cinnamon powder, your I put my Lasco as well, as you can see, and I use some coconut milk powder. Yes, and my nutmeg, yes, it was inside there too, and a little bit of salt. Yes, and sugar. Yep, those are the dry ingredients. Yes, so you mix that all around, mix it all around, and after your mixture is cool, you're gonna pour that in the flour, guys, and mix it all out. Mix it very smoothly. You can use your electric mixer as well as this hand mixer right here. Mix it out very smoothly. Everybody make the bun different, guys. I add some Lasco in mine. Yeah, so you mix that right out completely, guys. If you're new here, remember to go ahead and subscribe, okay? I'll appreciate it. So I have some cherries right here. I almost forgot about my cherries and my raisins. So at this point, yes, and I have to leave some of the sauce to do the finishing touch on the bun. When the bun is ready, you're gonna use a brush and brush that bun with that sauce right there. So this was my mixture after I add my dry ingredients and the Malta. Yeah, just the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients, guys. Mix that all out. So after the bun was out of the oven, this is what I do now with the sauce, and I use a brush. I have a baking brush. Then I brush it, brush it and let it be moist. So that's what I'm doing right there. So everything was done right there. The bun was cool and I cut it up. I have some Jamaican cheese right there. Thanks for watching, guys.